Nag-shift ka ng moves para malito mo yung defender mo. Shifty, okay? Shifty ulit. Shifty, shifty. Ball cross, B cross, between the legs. Then pag sumundot, between the legs, then attack. Shifty, shifty kasi mahalaga ang visualization dito. Baka kasi may cutters or may nag-B-cut or may pick and roll. So, pero maganda tatawagin yung roll, ang pick and roll. So, ang visualization nyo rito, hanggat hindi gumagalaw yung moves niya, wag kayo magla-live moves. So, visualization, shifty, shifty, pag malapit ang pick, small, tas between the legs, then up. So, let's go. 1, 2, cross between the legs, behind the back. 1, 2, cross between the legs, behind the back. Ready? Whew. Okay. Ready? Okay, let's go. Eto na. So, paulit-ulit lang yung mga mangga. So, this is Coach Brown TV again and again. So, yun, paulit-ulit lang. Medyo hindi ko masyadong kuha doon. So, ito, medyo okay na. So, yun. Yun nga, small cross. Small cross, then B cross. Tinatawag ko naman itong small cross, B cross. Ready, go. Small cross, B cross. Small cross, B cross. Small cross, B cross. Yun o. Diba? Pwede naman siguro siya. Kanya-kanya naman yan. Pero, bahala kayo. Okay ka. Ito. So, let's go. Small cross, B cross. Small cross, B cross between the legs. Small cross, B cross between the legs. Ito pa. Go. Small cross, B cross between the legs. Small cross, B cross. Wait. Small cross, B cross between the legs. Small cross, B cross between the legs. Ano naman? Small cross, small cross, B cross between the legs. 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 Kabila. Small cross, B cross between the legs. Small cross, B cross between the legs. Kapagod din pala to. So next step naman, subukan natin yung small cross, B cross between the legs, behind the back. Go. So guys, tignan natin kung effective siya. Ang small cross, B cross na tinatawag or parang pauso natin. Tignan natin kung effective siya na drills. So let's go. Small cross. Wait Small cross, B cross, attack. Uy! Wait medyo madalas. So let's go, yeah. Go na. Small cross, B cross. Small cross, B cross, attack. Pull up. Medyo effective naman ng konti. Sige, isa pa. Let's go. Small cross, B cross, attack. Then pull up. Ayun. Nice shot. Woo! Then second naman, kaliwa. So tapos na tayo sa small cross, B cross, attack ng single. So ang gagawin naman natin, small cross, B cross, attack then between the legs. So let's go. So pag nandito yung defender, imagine nyo na nandito yung defender, kaharap siya. So relaxation, shifty relax, then small cross between the legs. So guys, medyo nawawala tayo, yan. So yun na tayo. Small cross, B cross between the legs or behind the back, then attack. Tingnan natin kung yun ang pinakamalupit na visualization. So small cross, B cross between the legs, then attack. Ulit. Small cross, B cross between the legs, then attack. Sorry, nakawala. So let's go guys. Doon tayo sa small cross, B cross, between the legs, then behind the back, then pull up. Mas maganda ang pull up kasi kahit malaki ang defender or kahit big man ang kalaban mo, basta na pull up mo ng maayos, possibly, na hindi ka ganun matatapal dahil malaki ang power ng pull up. Ready, go. Small cross, B cross, attack, pull up. First. Okay, go. Hold ulit lang yun, pero ito na yung second. Shifty, tignan muna ang visualization. Oh, dahil shifty kasi mahalaga ang visualization dito. Baka kasi may cutters or may nag-B-cut or may pick and roll. So, pero maganda tatawagin yung roll, ang pick and roll. So, ang visualization nyo rito, hanggat hindi gumagalaw yung moves niya, wag na wag kayo magla-live moves. So, visualization, shifty, pag malapit ang peak, small, tas between the legs, then up. Right? So, isa rin sa moves na nag-shift ka ng moves para malito mo yung defender mo. Shifty, okay? Shifty ulit. Shifty, ball cross, B cross, between the legs, then pag sumundot, between the legs, then attack. Napaka-importante sa mga wingman, sa mga point guard, or sa mga big man. So yun, pag nagawa niyo yung moves na yun, pwede na kayong mag-create ng kahit ano. Dahil nasa inyo naman yun kung anong effective na moves para sa inyo. So, let's go. Tara, Tol, dito. So, yun, nasikaso. Ano pa naman, Tol? Aaron, si Aaron yun. Si Aaron. So, ganito lang, guys. Nakita ko lang dito kay Aaron. Yan. So, ang shift na babantayan ko, pagka nakita mo siya, go, depensa mo ako, small cross, beat. Wait lang. Okay, depensa mo talaga, Ready, go. Small cross, big cross, between the legs. Pull up. Diba? Medyo mas effective. So guys, titignan nyo lang yung visualization nyo sa game bago kayo umatak sa mga bawat defense. So mahalaga talaga yung shifty, then gawa ka ng moves kung between in or out, between the legs, behind the back, or yung small cross or big cross, bahala ka. So yun guys, 10-minute workout na gawin nyo yun. Talaga namang napaka-effective yung small cross, then cross between the legs or behind the back. Thanks for watching sa inyo mga kamanggay. Ewan ko na kung manunod ka, pero nandito ako ngayon sa Villa Verde. Yun. Shoutout nga pala sa mga tiga Villa Verde. Yeah! Thank you dahil talagang napakalupit pa rin ng Villa Verde. So let's go, Browno TV.